Hello and welcome to another GCSE revision video, and in this video we're going to look at another one of the BBC Breakfast Maths Challenge. In this Easter themed challenge we're told the Easter Bunny has 4 chocolate Easter eggs and has asked us to work out the weight of each of the individual Easter eggs. The Easter Bunny has given us 4 clues. 1. The mean or average weight of these eggs is 80 grams. Okay, without reading anything else, I'm going to write down what I know, and I'm going to call the weight of each of the eggs A, B, C, D. So I'm going to say that A plus B plus C plus D all divided by 4 is equal to 80 grams. And the reason I'm writing this down is because the mean or average, the mean average is calculated by adding up the weight of all and then dividing by how many you've got. Now we've got 4 eggs, we're told that in the question. So I've labelled them A, B, C and D. And we're told that the mean or average weight of these eggs is 80 grams. So A plus B plus C plus D all divided by 4 is 80 grams. And I'm going to get rid of this divided by 4 by multiplying both sides by 4. So if I multiply by 4, and that G just stands for grams. So I'm multiplying this by 4, and that means I can now get rid of this 4 here. In fact, I'm going to use my eraser. And that just makes that nice and neat. Okay, so 80 grams multiplied by 4, well 2 times 80 is 160 grams, and 2 times 160 grams would be 320 grams. So this is 320 grams. So we're told that the sum, or that when you add all 4 weights together they make 320 grams. That's what we got from the first clue. Now we're told the 3 heavier eggs weigh 270 grams in total. So B plus C plus D. I've decided, it's just purely arbitrary, but I've decided that the A, B, C and D are going to be in order of lightest to heaviest, with D being the heaviest. So that's 270 grams. It didn't have to be that way. I could have used different letters of the alphabet to decide on which ones, but it just seemed logical to me to make it A, B, C, D in order of heaviest. So now, if I subtract these 2 equations, these B's disappear, the C's disappear, the D's disappear, and I'm left with 320 minus 270. And that will give me the value for A. It's just logical that if B plus C plus D is 270 grams, and A plus B plus C plus D is 320 grams, then A must be the difference between 320 grams and 270 grams. So we can say, just from the first 2 clues, that A is equal to 320 minus 270. Well, if I had 5 to 7, I'm going to get 12. So A must be 50 grams. So we've already got 1, and we've only looked at the first 2 clues. So clue 3 says the heaviest egg is 3 times the weight of the smallest egg. Okay, so the heaviest, so D is equal to 3 times A. Okay, well that does help me a lot actually, because we know the value for A, which is 50 grams. So D is equal to 3 times 50. In fact, I'm going to put a comma. I'm going to put D is equal to 3 times 50 grams. So right now I've got the weight of the next egg. So D is equal to 50 times 3, 3 times 5 is 15, so this is 150 grams. Okay, so what are we left with? The other two middle eggs weigh the same. Okay, well that's nice. So I'm going to say C is equal to B. That's the two middle eggs weigh exactly the same. So 50 grams plus, well, C and B are the same, so I'm going to say 2 times B is the weight of both B and C, plus D, which is 150 grams, is equal to 320 grams, which is basically putting all our information together. Well, 50 grams plus 150 grams is 200 grams. So 2B is equal to 320 grams minus the known weights, which is 200 grams. So 2 times B is equal to 120 grams. So B is equal to 60 grams. And since we know that B is equal to C, then C is also equal to 60 grams. So we've also got C is equal to 60 grams and B is equal to 60 grams. So in weight order, our eggs are 50 grams, 60 grams, 60 grams, and 150 grams. Okay, I hope this was helpful. If you are taking your GCSEs this year, I'd like to wish you every success with your exams. And if you enjoyed this video or if you found it helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And I look forward to seeing you in another video.